Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance topics to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling a super practical guide: how to withdraw money from Zelle to Wells Fargo in 2025. If you've received money through Zelle and want to get it into your Wells Fargo account quickly and securely, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but we'll walk through it step by step to avoid any hiccups. First off, a quick refresher. Zelle is a popular app for sending and receiving money instantly between bank accounts. In 2025, it's even more integrated with major banks like Wells Fargo, making transfers seamless. Before we dive in, make sure you have a Wells Fargo account set up and the Zelle app downloaded on your phone. If not, head to your app store and get it installed. It's free. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Open the Zelle app and log in with your credentials. If you haven't linked your Wells Fargo account yet, go to the Settings or Account section and add it. You'll need to verify your Wells Fargo details, which might involve a small test deposit or entering your account number. Step 2. Once your accounts are linked, check your Zelle activity for any incoming payments. If you've received money, it should show up in your Zelle balance. Step 3. To withdraw it to Wells Fargo, select the transaction and choose the option to transfer funds. Enter the amount you want to move. Remember, Zelle transfers are usually instant or within minutes in 2025. Step 4. Confirm the transfer details, including the destination account, and hit send. You'll get a confirmation notification on your phone. Keep an eye on your Wells Fargo app or online banking to see the funds arrive. It should be almost immediate. A few tips to make this smoother. Always double-check recipient details to avoid errors, and be aware of any daily limits set by Zelle or Wells Fargo. If you run into issues, like a delayed transfer, contact Wells Fargo customer support. They're pretty responsive. And remember, security is key, so use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication. There you have it. By now, you should have your money safely in your Wells Fargo account. If this helped, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.